Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. My name is Dr. Aviz the son of Baba Ramide. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you'll be the first person to see. If you need more of my video, you're free to watch my previous video that can help you. You're free to watch my previous video and that can help you. Today, I want to teach you how to treat a woman that discharged after sex. How to treat a woman that's discharged after sex. What we are going to use to treat the woman. Go and look for this leaf. Yoruba call this leaf ewé làpálàpá, and black soap. Ewé làpálàpá and black soap. But don't let water to touch this soap. Don't let water to touch this soap. If you want to do it, just go to where this leaf dey. Plug this leaf. One water will come out from this leaf. Use the water to soak one that is like milk. Use the water to soak the soap. Use it to soak it. Soak it very well. Don't let ordinary water to touch this soap. Use this làpálàpá water to soak it very well. Pound it. Let it mix together. Pound it very well. Use this soap to wash your vagina. Use it 3 times in a day. Use it to wash your vagina. The second one, go and look for snail. I use this one to do example. Go and look for big snail and black soap and big snail. Just cut the soap like this. Use the soap to cover the mouth of the snail. Use it to cover the mouth of that snail like this. Use it to cover it like this. Then keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, start to use it. After 3 days, start to use it 3 times in a day. Start to use it. That is it. Please, if you are watching this program, don't forget to subscribe. Help me share this program. Drop your comments and like it. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you'll be the first person to see. You're free to watch my previous video. Yes, you're free to watch my previous video. Ẹ káàbọ̀ nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì níbikíbi tí ọwọ́jà ètò ìbá fẹ́ dé. Lápẹ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wò mí nígbà kọ̀ọ̀kan lórúkọ mi ní Dr. Aviz ọmọ bàbá Ramide nílùú Ìníṣà. Eléyìí tí mo mú wá náà ní bá a ṣe lè tọ́jú obìnrin tó bá ní ẹ̀dà òró tàbí ẹ̀dà ìbúlẹ̀. Kí la máa lọ́wọ́ ìgbín tó tóbi àti ọṣẹ dúdú. Ẹ fi ọṣẹ dúdú ẹ fi bo ìgbín mọ́lẹ̀. Bá ti pé ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ lọ gbé pamọ́. Bá ti pé ọjọ́ mẹ́ta, lẹ́yìn ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ máa fi ọṣẹ yìí ẹ máa fi fọ ojú ara yín ẹ̀mẹ́ta ní ojúmọ́. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ń bẹ, bá mi lọ wá ewé làpálàpá funfun. Oje làpálàpá, ẹ bá mi wá oje làpálàpá. Ẹ kan sí ọṣẹ dúdú kó pọ̀. Eléyìí kò papọ̀ mọ́ra wọn o. Ewé làpálàpá ẹ kan sí ọṣẹ dúdú kó pọ̀, kó ṣòkì dáadáa. Ẹ yẹ fi ọlọ ẹ fi gún dáadáa, kó ṣòkì dáadáa. Ẹ máa fi ọṣẹ yìí fọ ojú ara. Ẹni tó bá ní ẹ̀dà ni o. Ẹ máa fi fọ ojú ara ní ẹ̀mẹ́ta ní ojúmọ́ bí ó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ẹ dákun mo bẹ̀ yín, ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá mi subscribe, ẹ má wò mí lásán, ẹ dákun ẹ má wò mí lásán. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ náà ni pé ẹ bá mi subscribe, ẹ bá mi share program yìí kó lè jẹ́ àǹfààní fún ẹlòmíì. Ẹ dákun mo bẹ̀ yín, mo bẹ̀ yín. Nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín olólùfẹ́ mi náà nìyẹn o, mi ò béèrè owó. Tí mo fẹ́ náà ni pé bá mi subscribe, ẹ bá mi share program yìí, ẹ bá mi like, kí ẹ comment. Ọlọ́run ní dà wá láàmú. Ire o, ó dìgbà kan náà.